My name is Steve Peat and I do all sorts of crap. Mainly, I'm a downhill mountain biker. A normal day for me back home in Sheffield is, obviously I've got a wife and 2 kids. I've got Pete's product stuff that I do, and I'm also a massive part of the Santa Cruz Syndicate still. Yeah, today we will be chucking some bikes in the van, of course, heading out to the trails, doing a bit of riding there, and we'll also have a little look in my backyard. We've got some private trails in a little wood, and we'll have a little ride on there too. Gonna go ride some local trails, Cliff Wood. We are in Cliff Woods, a few miles away from my house, and plenty of trails to go at. Lovely and dry at the moment, sun shining, bike riding. Okay, what's next on the agenda today? I think you boys have taken up way too much time of mine, and you've been working me extra hard, so I think I deserve an executive pub lunch. Oh, Leighton van for me is absolutely perfect for my lifestyle. I mean, I mentioned before I've got a wife and 2 kids. We all ride bikes, so having a long wheelbase van with 5 seats in there, get the family in easily in the front, and I can get all the bikes and all the rubbish that we take everywhere in the back of the van. Nice and easy, secured, and it's out the way, so it's perfect for me. I feel so numb. Baby, strawberry cake and pie. It's my favourite, you know. Talk with all different. We only learnt them this morning. I look so dumb. We're just down in a private little wood where I've got some jumps built for my kids to play on, and this big kid. It's quite good fun. Well, there you go everyone, that was a day hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed the riding bits. Keep checking out the vans, they look sick.